Hello.
Okay, check.
Dobra.
Nie, tata. Cows.
Where?
Cows.
Hmm. Say hello to Miss Moo. Yeah.
Oh, they did some Halloween themed stuff.
Mm-hmm. The horse thingy.
Oh yeah, the horse is like so
Horse
long.
trail. See?
Yeah. Just saw the horse. Oh, sheep. Sheep. What is sheep? Is that a goat?
Yeah.
That's a goat.
Bellatrix Butters Alfalfa.
Oh. Let's see the other.
That's the sheep.
Yeah. Wow. Wait. Oh, there's even birds.
Wait.
What's this?